What I'm teaching my clients is a tool that will equip them for life on how to be in tune with themselves. What I'm really teaching them is how to trust their own inner guidance.
So Rosa has basically brought a number of ladies together from all aspects of life to provide a program of just understanding of each individual, because we're all different.
It's a very supportive and safe environment where we can share our experiences, our emotions, and support each other.
What's been nice about it is that all of us women in the group were really different and on different parts of our journey. Rosa's instruction's really different than like a typical yoga.
We actually talk about the mechanics and the technical pieces that go with various movements, along with the emotional and all the other pieces. In a way, we're combining the scientific knowledge along with the intuitive and emotional pieces that are really key that go with this practice.
The term of mind that comes to my mind is holistic, because it's so whole body.
Rise is much more specific. The exercises are much more in tune.
Rosa's approach to changing the body is so much more so than going to a gym and lifting weights. As someone who did this and successfully changed their body, I can tell you that it doesn't work.
She actually works with your body. She understands the flow of your energy within your body.
I feel like every stretch we do or every pose we do has more intention to it, that there's a reason behind it, and it's tailored to each person who's in the room. We do a lot of getting in touch with the body, doing body scans, meditation, stretching, activating different muscles.
I think there's a general lack of understanding of how the mind and body are connected, and through Rosa and the classes at Rise, it really clarifies how the two are connected.
I've been able to build, and I continue to build, my inner strength.
But the focus has always been on love, so it really originates with self-love.
I wish I had the proper words to describe it, but you have to try it out.
It boggles my mind, like still, it's so empowering to me and so amazing.
Why not embrace the Rise method? I find that I'm happier and a better person for it.
Do it. Go to Rise.